Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on this simple fresh look and a review on few of Bobbi Brown's products. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with the prepped and moisturized skin. For my foundation today, I'm gonna be using this Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, and I'm in the shade N042 Beige. This foundation has quite a thick consistency and texture, but surprisingly it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. In fact, it feels super lightweight and comfortable. You don't really need much, a little goes a long ways with this foundation because it's super high coverage. As you can see, my skin looks super flawless. This foundation has a matte finish, so for those with dry skin, I suggest you guys to apply moisturizer or any hydrating primer before applying this foundation. And voila, can you see the comparison? My skin looks super healthy and flawless. For those with oily skin, I think this foundation might be a holy grail for you because it is an oil-free foundation, so your foundation will stay matte and shine-free all day long. Not to forget, this foundation also has SPF 15, which makes it a perfect everyday foundation. What I love the most about this foundation is that even though it is a matte foundation, but for those with dry skin like myself, I don't find it drying or exaggerate my dry patches. In fact, it gives my skin that healthy glow. So if you're wondering, this foundation comes in 42 shades, and I think there's definitely enough shades for everyone. So while I'm doing the rest of my makeup, let's have a talk. Do you guys know that you can now purchase Bobbi Brown's product easily because they are finally gonna be available on Lazada? So they will be doing a live stream to launch their store, so you can enjoy grand launch offer and win tons of giveaways. You can also get a lot of free gifts such as free Crush Lip Bundle with 2 pouches and Radiance Primer with any purchase from 12 until 9 AM, free makeup remover with any purchase plus hydrating face cream sample all day offer, and a free service voucher. And not to forget you guys, there will be mystery gift during the live stream at 12 PM until 1 PM on the 30th May. Oh my god, are you guys as excited as I am? If you guys are, make sure to mark your calendar for the Bobbi Brown official store opening on Lazmall on the 30th May. Because trust me, you will not want to miss out on these amazing offers and giveaways. Okay, back to the tutorial. For the lipstick, I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown Luxe Lip color in number 6 Neutral Rose. If you have dry, chapped lips, you might want to give this lipstick a try because it nourishes and conditions lips while maintaining an all-day color finish. Plus, this lipstick glides on my lips like butter, and I just love the color so much, it goes perfectly with this look. And that guys conclude the final look. But wait, this video is not over yet because I have one more product to review, which is this Bobbi Brown Soothing Cleansing Oil. So I just recently tried this cleansing oil and I instantly fell in love with it. This product removes waterproof makeup so easily in one swipe. As you guys know, I have a dry combination skin, but what I love the most about this product is that it doesn't dry out my skin. In fact, it removes my makeup while maintaining my skin's moisture. And most importantly, this cleansing oil is formulated without paraben, sulfates, and phthalates. So that's it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. If you guys are interested in any of Bobbi Brown's product that I use in this video, make sure to check the description box down below. So I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!